Now there's a little waxeye in this bottle brush bush over here. Don't know if we'll get him or not. Oh, they're hiding in the bushes over there. Oh, I hear a rustling in the bushes. There he is. Man, they're quick. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a bunch of little waxeyes running around inside the bottle brush bush. Oh, there he is. Come on. Oh, there he goes. I'm struggling to get a good shot because of all these bushes. But you can see the waxeye. Oh, here he is. Here comes the waxeye. He's coming out to feed. Man, they're fast. He's just feeding on the nectar and the bottle brushes. Oh, there's another one behind the rosemary. Oh, there he is up in there. Here he comes. There he is. Oh, they're so fast and so cute. Man, they get away from you quick. Gotta be careful not to scare them off. I think I may have already scared him off a bit too much. Here he is. Oh, he's climbing up the top there. Little waxeyes. They're cute birds. Here's one sticking out the top here. Well, I got him for a glimpse or two in this shot. Oh, there we go. Caught one in flight.